actually the official announcement of the preseason preview show, the schoolboy football preseason preview show. There are some stuff that we need to discuss on it, and the official announcement date is August the 31st. That's Saturday. I'm going to do it after the Europa Cup. I will be doing that preview show after the Europa Cup. The Dacosta Cup champions, possible champions, the Manning Cup possible champions, the Walker Cup possible champions, and whenever the Walker Cup, I don't know, I'm not sure. The Walker Cup and Ben Francis, yeah. But I'll be doing a preview prediction. Which team will come out of which zone, whichever two teams or whichever three teams coming out of which zone. We'll be doing a preview show speaking about the teams that I've seen so far and the teams that have big expectations on them this season. Now, all of a sudden, the amount of teams who are rebuild, a whole lot of teams are rebuild, so I'm going to discuss that. Also, what I need to talk about, share to you guys is I 100% think that most of you guys don't understand what's happening right now. On a global scale, schoolboy football, there's going to be a lot of eyes on schoolboy football. I mean, scouts, agents, there'll be a lot of them on schoolboy football. Now, I want you guys to do this. All of you who will be partaking in schoolboy football, if you have a social media account, clean up your social media account. Clean it up. Clean it up, people. There's something big coming this season. There are big stuff coming this season, and I would encourage you to clean up your social media accounts. Let it be, if it's strictly, if you're an athlete, let it be about you being an athlete and your school. Let it be about you being an athlete and your school. I understand that everyone has social life. So, if anything, create two profiles. One in which you can post anything, and probably private the one day, or anything can discuss on that one. But the public one, let it be about school and you being an athlete. Now, there is a reason why I'm telling you guys this. These are information that has been passed down to me from agents, scouts, and coaches who will be looking at players this schoolboy football season. Either D1 schools, D2, D3, whatever level, whatever possibility may lie. Opportunities are there for the players. Opportunities are there for the students. And I'm saying again, clean up your social media account. It's very, very important. At this present moment, start working on interviews. Speak to your coach about it. Let's see, speak to other players in the squad about it. Work on your interviewing skills, because you will be interviewed, especially if you are a standout player, having good games and such. You want to sound good. You want to present yourself properly. You want to represent your school good, and you also want to market yourself. This is very important. I mean, I send it out from early. I tell them from early so that, when the season starts, we can make this thing happen. We can put in some really, really good showing, not just on the pitch, but off the pitch as well, because these things really matter. Let's be professional. Let us be professional. It's quite important that we do so. Now, I do believe that the CXC is coming up. There's a lot of students who will be taking part in CXC coming this school year. So make sure school is a priority, not just football. School should be a priority. So if you have extra time, please ensure you sort out the educational factor. It is very serious, and it is a thing. It's a deep thing. So that's what I'm talking about. Prioritize school. Life is not only about sports. There's so much things, life after sports, and some won't even make it. That's just the nature of it. So prioritize school, and most definitely clean up your social media account. And as I say again, work on your interviewing skills. You'll be doing a lot of interviews. If you're a big baller, you see a big baller and you play good, that means you'll be doing a lot of interview. Work on that, sharpen that up, learn to talk in front of the camera or speak in front of people. Just make it become easy. And I think things are going to run smooth for you. These are all things that really matter. It's about selling yourself. It's about presenting yourself in a way that people said, oh, no, such and such. So people will consider you. Scouts, agents, college coaches will consider you based off these factors. These are important. Talent alone is not enough. So I'm just giving you guys this message in particular. So again, preview show for the schoolboy football preview show is August the 31st. I'm going to kickstart that at 8 p.m. It'll be kickstarting at 8 p.m. It'll be a live stream 8 p.m. on MG Sports TV. Don't miss a one. Don't miss a one. Come and watch me get some things wrong. Come and watch me predict some wrong things. Who would be the champion? Will Mona retain their title? Will the big boys time? Big boys time. Let us see what's going to happen this season. And I'm telling you, this is going to be a very, very big schoolboy football season, but many, many facets. So tune in and come and join me. You don't know anything already? Once we start this program, every night we're going to kickstart it. So we don't know if we got games that is there. And at the night, we discuss the games and also the results and also what's happening in the space. So big up yourself. We're going to kickstart schoolboy football season. And what do you call it now? In big fashion. We'll kickstart it on a high note, people. So big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Schoolboy football. You know what I mean? Nothing already, people. Big up on yourself. God bless every time. Take care of yourself, people.